It is a way of recognizing the intelligence within ourselves that helps us in functioning on a day-to-day basis in the ability that we are designed to be capable of using.
I think it's beautiful to connect the different cultures together. As we know, yoga has like an Indian origin. It comes from the Hindu culture and it has so many benefits to it. So it's really nice to see like everyone appreciating that culture and bringing it to the Canadian community. I think it's a way for us to preserve our own culture and also share that with the world and share its many benefits.
International Day of Yoga is a worldwide celebration of the ancient Indian practice of yoga. Observed every year on June 21st, it highlights yoga's physical, mental and spiritual benefit and its power to bring people together. Since the United Nations recognized Yoga Day in 2014, millions of people across 192 countries have taken part in mass yoga sessions.
The practice of yoga is such a thing that it is for the overall universal well-being of each and every human being all over the world, and it's very easy to practice. So it's doing all good things to the body, because you can see that outside we can take care of our body, but what is happening inside we don't know. So yoga takes care of our inner self, inner health, inner beauty, inner strength. So yoga is overall a very unique and wonderful thing which India has given to the world.
2025 marks the 11th International Day of Yoga, and this year's theme is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Announced by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the theme emphasizes a holistic vision of well-being for people and the planet. It highlights yoga's role in promoting physical and mental health while also aligning with global calls for environmental sustainability and unity. In other words, the goal is to make whole world healthier through yoga unify power, one earth, one health together. Canada has embraced this message, hosting yoga event nationwide in the lead up to Yoga Day. Isha Foundation held a yoga and meditation session at the Best Western Plus Toronto Airport Hotel in Mississauga, drawing an enthusiastic crowd of participants. As well as Consulate General of India in Toronto partnered in this session, the Consulate, and encouraged everyone to join the main Yoga Day celebration on June 21.
So what I feel is in today's world, we are more focused on outside. We are so much focused on collecting things and collecting the titles, what is my status and all. But in that run, we are forgetting to take an inner journey. So yoga and meditation, that helps us to take our journey inwards.
Programs are free. Since it is offered free, people are coming together, and people who don't know about the taste of yoga, they come and see, have a feeling of it, how yoga can benefit for them.
I've been into choreography. I'm a choreographer from a very young age, but I have never really liked yoga, okay? And I kept dancing from the age of 4 till date I'm dancing, but I realized that when I started yoga, it was very late, which was at the age of 18, which is still early, but very late yet. And the flexibility, the mobility, everything that started coming in was all because of yoga.
A second community yoga event took place in Brampton, Ontario. Delhi Association of Canada, a local Indian diaspora group, organized a morning yoga session at Gore Meadows Community Centre. Family and individuals from diverse backgrounds turned up early to practice yoga together, reflecting a spirit of inclusivity and culture exchange. With support from the Indian Consulate, the Brampton session showed how yoga bridges community. Participants not only exercised for fitness but also shared India's cultural heritage of wellness.
We only get one body a lifetime, right? This is it. And it's incumbent on us to take care of this body. And through these practices of these different asanas, through the practice of pranayama, through the practice of relaxation, through the practice of proper nutrition, through the practice of proper breathing, we're able to succeed at living a reasonably long and happy and healthy life.
I didn't actually don't know this till earlier, but because we were doing another session before this, I learned so many benefits that yoga poses have, such as digestion, meditation, spiritual, mind. I think as being a university student or just a student in general, there's like so many stresses that come on in life, and when you're in university, you're not really like focused on your health, your spiritual, or your mind that much, but I think yoga can help you kind of rise above that and learn so much from it. So I think it's not as prevalent as it should be, but it needs to be more, and it's really, really helpful.
As the world looks towards the International Day of Yoga, the celebration in Canada underscores how this ancient practice is building bridges in modern society. From improving health to connecting communities, yoga appeal is truly global and inclusive in the spirit of One Earth, One Health. Canadians and Indians together are embracing yoga power to foster harmony and a healthier future. From Canada, this is Tarun Paul Singh.